Hi, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. So in the previous version of Google Photos, there is actually that feature that automatically deletes all the duplicate photos on your gallery. And that feature really helps save a lot of memory for your phone, but unfortunately, that feature has completely been removed from Google Photos. And right now, the app gives us limited features and options that we can do on the app. You can still create new album, collage, highlight video, cinematic photo, and animations. But this app will help you to better manage all of your photos and albums and keep it all organized. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily remove duplicates on Google Photos. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!